Does His Holiness believe the British government is to blame for the death of Shamima Begum's baby?
I don't want to blame anybody. What was her fate, it has happened. So now, leave the matter to God. Being a religious person, I don't want to involve myself in such type of politics. And
Does His Holiness think that...
Since you have cancelled her citizenship, his passport has been cancelled, she has been denied the right of being citizen of the country, then now other Muslim countries should take her and then deal with her. Or even it is said that her husband was saying that he wants to go to Netherlands. He's a Dutch. So if he goes there and he takes her along with him, then it's okay.